So, in this video, for the ones that want a little more action, let's see what happens if we skip one of the indicators. For the ones that follow me, I use two indicators. I use Bollinger Band and stochastic together. What happens if you just run just one of them? So in this video, we are only going to do trades with the binary option robot that you can have completely for free. Link below the video, or push the link you see up there right now. You can have it completely for free. So, like I said, we're going to now for 10 minutes only use the indicator Bollinger Band. So let's see how we are doing then for the ones that want a little more action. As you can see already, we have 3 trades. I did put max 3 trades because this one will take much more trades. Not so good, of course. That's why you will understand later on that it's better to run together with stochastic. So let's turn on some music and see how we do, and I'll go after and check all the trades. So there we have it. We have now run with only Bollinger Band for little less than 10 minutes. So if it's seen now on closed trades, let's go down. Yeah, the trade started here, from here, and all the trades you see up here was taken in that matter of time. The thing is, and you can also see I did just stop the robot for the last 3 trades without martingale them, because it's risky to trade like that. You need to run with a proper setup. Yes, you get less trades, but as you have seen, the trades are better. When you run like this, you're getting trades like crazy. Yes, can feels a little fun in the start. You can see your account is growing. Like, even though I did take that loss on these last 3 trades, we still made money. Not much, but we made money. The thing is, it's cool to see because you see the account grow very fast, right? But it's better with a proper strategy. That's why you want to use my strategy complete. So, if you want action and burn your account, go for it. But if you want to use a proper strategy that is proven by me, I've done it manually for a very long time, then set up the same way I have done. So download my robot today, if I link below the video, and you can start making money, because I have made a video also that will come with the file you download, how to set it up and everything. So you can just turn it on and enjoy. So, but of course can always happen something crazy. So I'm not telling that you can invest $100 and be a millionaire tomorrow. Don't work like that. But at least it's a robot trading the proper way, and in that way it's the best you can do in this type of markets. We can say it like that. So with that, have a perfect day.